I'm Dr. Liao Tiong Sin. As an aesthetic physician, I'm always looking for the best treatment and outcome that will delight my patient. And as a professional aesthetic trainer, I'm dedicated to passing on my years of experience and skill to the next generation of practitioners in this field. This is why I'm so pleased to be the founding principal of Rejuran Malaysia Academy and to be part of the effort to raise the bar of aesthetic excellence in Malaysia. An outstanding product like Rejuran is an essential and invaluable tool in every portfolio of aesthetic practice. And this is our goal in RMA, to work with the trainees to develop their skill and knowledge so that they can provide the best service for the patient. From the basics of skin rejuvenation science to optimal technique for individualized treatment, a Rejuran Injector certification is a patient-safe and trustworthy pathway to a beautiful skin. I take this opportunity to extend my heartiest congratulations to the graduating cohort. We hope your time with us has been fruitful and wish you bright days ahead as a Rejuran certified injector.
Hi, Dr. Usha, Medical Director of MX Clinic and the founding trainer of Rejuran Malaysia Academy. Teaching has always been a passion, and I would like to thank Rejuran Malaysia Academy for giving me that opportunity to share my expertise on such an amazing product that delivers excellent results for all my patients. And for all the graduates, I would like to congratulate you for choosing to embark on this journey with us to give the best for your patients. Thank you.
Hello graduates, hope everyone is well. Big congratulations to all the graduates of Rejuran Malaysia Academy. Time certainly flies, and we are now almost into the last quarter of 2022. Since the MCO has been lifted, I have had pleasure to conduct few physical trainings for some of you. Big love to Rejuran Malaysia Academy for giving me to share my passion and expertise. Truly a special time, as all of the participants have been exceptionally cooperative and engaging, showing tremendous support and enthusiasm to one another, working towards one goal to learn. I would like to give a big shout out to all of the graduates. Congratulations once again, wishing you all the best and hope to see you very soon.